Today I'm actually going to test out this wireless microphone I bought for my Samsung phone, and it is a USB-C connection, and it has got two Lavalier microphones with it as well. So I'm going to unbox this and see what's actually in here. Okay, and hopefully this will there'll be enough charge in the batteries. I'm hoping anyway. And normally I actually use these Rode Wireless Go as the Mark 1 version, and I use that with my Olympus camera, but sadly this doesn't actually work with the Samsung through USB-C to 3.5mm jack. The Lavalier mic from the Rode does actually go into the jack, but of course for portability and wanting to move away from the camera like I am now, I'm hoping that this will allow the flexibility with the phone. Of course this works with the great with the Olympus camera, and so we'll do a you'll see what the sound is like on the Lavalier phone, Lavalier microphone, and I will take out the microphone and just try video with the phone microphone and at this distance, see how that is, and then I'll try this one. Okay, but first of all we'll unbox this. Okay.
Science and technology with Lavalier.
And this is just a cheap ish microphone from Amazon, made in China. It's not even got a brand name on here, but it seems quite nicely packaged, and so we'll see if it works. It was £17.99, so nearly £18 really in UK pounds, so it's probably what, about €20, 20 to $25 in the US, I would think. If I can actually open the box now, here we are. And so anyway, we've got a nice little cardboard box inside, and it's quite nicely laid out. In here we've got the Lavalier microphones, and you can see those on here, and we have two microphones here, and we also have kind of a USB that's like but read the instructions really on this anyway, and that is kind of USB to USB-C, and we have in here, we have two furry bits as well for the to put over the microphone when you're out in the wind, and of course we have the USB to USB-C cable. That's probably for charging, I would think, and we have, I can open this up, and we have instructions in here as well, which we're not going to read, and never do read the instructions, and that is, well, it's really well wedged in. It's like a foam inside here. I'm just trying to edit it out without actually breaking my nails, and not a good idea to use a Stanley knife or craft knife there, and oops, I've broken the box a little bit. There it is. That's quite wedged in there, so it's nicely packaged actually for such a cheap item. And of course this actually, the USB-C part fits into the phone, and then of course, so imagine this takes the power from the phone, which is taking out the thing there, and of course it's got I don't know if there are Bluetooth symbols on there or not anyway. So anyway, and these obviously take one off there. We'll test one of the microphones first, and so I'm going to plug this into the phone. I'm hoping the volume is loud enough on the Lavalier mic I've got plugged in at the moment, but I'll just unplug the microphone on the phone and then see what the voice is like from this distance, and then we'll try this one. Oh, just now using the onboard microphone on the phone itself, so I don't know if the how loud the volume is, but it's just a little test here, and then I'm going to just plug this in and we'll try this. Okay, so we'll be back in a moment. As you can see on my phone here, it is the you've got nice lights here which light up, and of course that's looking for the microphones, and which I'm going to switch on shortly. You see now one of the lights has stopped flashing because I've now got the other microphone on. Just press the power button on the top. I'm not sure what the other power button is yet, and my phone has just gone off video mode. And anyway, so we'll test the volume levels on this microphone, and it's kind of got a I don't know what the other button is for. Oh, that turns off. Might be a mute button maybe. So anyway, we'll see what that is. Okay, right. Okay, on with the test. Well, we'll see if this actually is working and what the volume is like, assuming that I've actually got the microphone on, and there's a button here. I don't know what that does. Oh, the other one says 72, so that's a charge on here. And so, of course, I don't know which microphone is actually working. This one is turned off at the moment. So we'll just see what the volume is like on this, and if this actually works, or am I actually just talking and you're just seeing me in a silent picture. So anyway, we'll see what happens. If not, I'll get the knife and anyway, we'll do hopefully if this works, then this is going to be like a godsend. It means I can walk around with my phone and just leave my phone kind of in the street sort of thing, and walk across the road, and then somebody nicks the phone. anyway, so well, we're not supposed to do that, but anyway, we'll just see if that works. And it's very simple to set up. Just turn that on here, assuming that is the on button that I've just pressed, and it just seems to pair straight away with the wireless adapter which plugs into the USB-C port on the phone. And this one the same, so you can have like two people, and you can video two people having an argument or whatever, or discussion, or whatever, you know. So that is going to be really, really handy. And so yeah, let's just see. So if this works, okay. And I'll be back in a moment just to check. I'm going to check before I put this video out. Okay. Well, it seems to, I just tested the video, which you'll have heard anyway. There's a little bit of kind of noise when I'm touching the microphone, so it's a little bit sort of sensitive there, so I'm not touching the microphone. Although technically there is supposed to be, there's some magnetic pads here inside as well, which actually, again, sort of getting them out is, yes, you lift that out and just push them through. And then the magnetic pads, I'll do it on this one. They just clip on there, and you've got then a little clip which you can actually, oops, I didn't want to turn that on, you can actually do the clip like that. And so that is, yeah, so I'm kind of testing at this distance just to make sure it actually works. So I'm hoping, and you've got at the side here, of course, your charge cable here, you plug that in. You could use a USB-C, of course, to USB-C, or USB-C to the USB normal. And you've got these ones here are, I'm not exactly sure what they are. They're kind of like adapters of some kind. So they've got USB-C into there, is it? Or not? No. So it must be another USB or something. So it might be a USB. I don't know actually. So anyway, I have to have a look up on what that is. And this one again is USB to USB. Yes, so you can plug that in, and you can order USB. So yeah. Anyway, we'll see what that is, and maybe it's probably a good idea to put the furry thing on if you're out and about. and they've got that foam on here, of course. So does the foam kind of come off? Yeah, there's the foam comes off there. There's your microphone inside, and of course, and you just push that over there, and well, kind of sort of push it on there anyway, and so that works. So yeah, so anyway, they seem good value. I mean, for basically £18, that's pretty good, really. So this is quite sort of phone kind of phono sort of like sensitive sort of thing. So let's just pick this up and see if it makes a noise. Right, so anyway, well, we'll see what happens there. And right, well, this is certainly great value for money anyway. So $17.99 for this wireless microphone, and yeah, it seems to work really well out of the box, and no setup or anything. You just plug it in, run your video or recording, and it just works. It just works seamlessly with the phone. That's really great. So yeah, I'm going to go out and test that. Not tonight, of course, it's a bit dark, but I'm going to go out and sort of test that in the street somewhere, little walkabout, and we'll see if that how that performs. And if it works well, then yep, great. I've got a little mobile studio, which is not going to take too much bulk up. Just using the phone and these will be great. Yeah. Okay. Thanks all for watching, and see you all very soon. Okay. Bye. Thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you've really enjoyed it. And please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to get notifications for future videos. Right, testing with the noise cancellation on. Testing with the noise cancellation off. On. Does that make any difference to the sound? Does my voice sound different? Or does it sound different like that?